Me have to thank God for the journey, the earnings are just been plus. And gratitude is a must. Yeah, we say blessings for all that right on. But I go to the friends with the cup. Me load one time, then sit down in a class and record them. And he said, throw them, go on with it, go on with it. That's how
everything big. Oh, you fancy, huh? Girls, let me see your hands. Wave them at them bitches hating on you with their friends. Girl, you got it.
Hi besties, hi family, hi guys. Welcome back to another beautiful vlog. Guys, in this vlog, you'll probably not see my face because this vlog is not all about me, but a beautiful city, Eastbourne. Eastbourne is a resort town on England's southeast coast. In fact, let's end right here. I'll do a proper vlog about this beautiful city. Let's get into the video, guys. This was my first week in the United Kingdom, and it was stated boldly on my visa confirmation letter that I have only 10 days to pick up my biometric resident permit card, aka my BRP card, from the post office. So on this fateful day, Big Baby and I went to the post office to pick up my BRP card. I think I'll leave you guys to enjoy the vlog with some good music.
Thank you.
A few minutes later.
Guys, Primark is beautiful and the items are very affordable. A little, oh my god, did I just say little? The accent is accenting, and that's on period. You guys shouldn't come for me in the comment section, oh. Anyways, a little advice from me to all the new G's in the UK and also to anyone planning to relocate to the UK. Please consider buying your stuff from Primark because the items are way cheaper as compared to other shops. This will help you to save money. Then later when you get a job, you can purchase from other shops. I hope you guys will take my advice unless you are a sprinky baby.
I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'll I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. My mind, my mind, and my body. My body says my mind, and my heart. My body says I don't know what it is. I can't tell you what it is, but you got me going crazy. Just to do is so amazing. How long can you go, baby? Better last till my body's so crazy. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still check in with you. I know that I need my friend, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body.
We are at the beach, guys. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Eastbourne Beach. Yay! I don't want to say this, but this was the worst decision I ever made. In fact, it was worse. Who asked me to go to the beach in this winter season? Guys, the beach was so freaking cold. I couldn't stay there for long. Honestly, because I was freezing. But to be honest with you, this beach is really beautiful. I love everything about Eastbourne. Like, take a look at this. A very nice seashore. Like, guys, let me leave you guys to enjoy this beautiful view.
hours later.
Guys, we went to the house to cook, eat, and rest. So later that evening, we stepped out to go have fun. This is Eastbourne at night.
I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body.